Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today in this video we are going to model this part. Let's start together by opening a new part. The first operation will be creating a sketch in top plane. After that we are placing here a line which will be converted to a construction geometry first, and then I'm adding a length which is 31 mm now. And then we pick here a spline and we connect this 2 point with the spline. It is looking like a line. Then we pick our spline control points and then we a little bit form it. And then here one more line which will be again a construction geometry. First we will make here relations by clicking our spline and line while our control is pressed, and we say tangent, and we place here our tangency value 33, and then here I'm creating an angle which is 43.5 with 60 tangency value. After this operation we can close our sketch, and again on top plane we can create a sketch. Simply I'm going to convert here my objects that I created in earlier sketch. Sometimes when you are working with splines, if you mirror them, you are able to get some error. That's the reason that I created second sketch. We have here our two objects. With mirror we are going to make a mirror on this line. Simply we have this geometry after that. Once we are done with that, we can continue to make other steps. Sketch 2 is selected and we are going to make an extrude. Here 1.5 mm value with 30-degree angle, we are going to make an extrude. Something like this on the screen which is shown now will appear. After this operation we close our sketch, our extrude, and then we go to real surface. Taper to vector will be active, and then here I will select my top plane, and then after this we are going to select this to edge, and then the value is again 1.5. 60 will be our angle. Just we are going to here change the direction. Sorry, now alternate side. Exactly. After alternation we are going to get something like this, inwards and extrude kind of operation. In fact, with real surface, taper to vector, 1.5 mm, top plane active, and we have 60-degree angle. Once we are done with that, by clicking top plane, we are going to select the plane, and then we pick this point, and then we will create a plane. We create on new plane a sketch, and we are going to convert this to edge, and then we are going to make an offset inwards. Sorry, set again. We are going to make 0.5 mm reverse. Select chain is not active here. Then we are going to make in 2x offset. Select chain now active. Don't know why wasn't before. It's not a problem. We simply get rid of unnecessary areas, and here there is an overlap. Then we can here make a little trim operation, and after this we are going to close this sketch. With planar surface we are having here a straight surface. After we can create on the surface sketch, we convert to edge, and with surfaces we are going to create an extrude surface. Direction will be reverse and draft outward will be active. This is not so much important, the length of that. This will be a helper surface for our operation. Next operation. Then we can close real surfaces. This is a helper surface. Now we are going to make a fillet surface. This will be our boundary. And here apply to all edges. Tangent will be active. And then program going to create for us according to the its own values a shape. If you want, you can define your own guide curves here for constraint the shape. Then you will get your own desired shape. But I'm okay with the existing one, and then I do say my program, okay, this is fine for me. This was a helper surface, and now we are going to get rid of it. As you see, it is okay now, and we can show all surface bodies. And after this operation, we can make a planar surface on the bottom and create a closed shape to be able to make a solid. After this operation, I'm going to knit surface. I select everything, create solid, and then I do click OK. Now we have a solid. If you look there, all surfaces are gone and we got a solid body. After this operation, we are going to create our hanging piece. On the right plane is sketch. I will select here a line. In the middle, I will touch here and then continue. I do create here 2 times circle. Here value is 2. Inside is 4. And then the height from here should be 3.25 millimeter. We can make even a little bit more if you want. 3.4, let's say. That's good. 2 millimeter. And we close our sketch. And now we go to extrude post base. Mid plane option will be active and 2 millimeter post base. Merge result will be unclicked. And now I'm going to get my combine. First a fillet. 1 millimeter fillet on this face, and then we got fully rounded torus. Combine will be now next command, add this 2 body will be added. And now we can convert it to we can assign a metal, for example, let's say a gold. It's all right. Now we are going to work on a polygonal shape on this surface. For that, it is good to create a new, even it is good to make a copy. In fact, we can keep the original one. We make a copy. We can hide the real one. This will be our working file. One will be with a normal shape, the other will be with a polygonal shape. After this operation, we go to Tools, Sketch Tools, Face Curves. 10 by 5 will be active here, and then program going to create here a curve for me. And I do close this operation. We say OK, and now I'm going to hide this body and start to work on this object. These are curves you will see in our feature tree, 3D sketch. In fact, all of them converted from surface. Now we can continue. Under sketch, we are going to create a 3D sketch and a line. First operation will be that I'm going to combine these two area with the 3D sketch. I'm using existing points, and then I'm going surfaces, Lofted Surface, right click selection manager, select first line, and then right click selection manager, we select the second one, and then we change our control points, and then we got here a pair of surface. After this operation, everything what I'm doing will be repeated. Here I do create one more line, the 3D sketch, and then I will continue to loft this sketch and this line, and then again operation will be same. Here I do create a line. We can even define more curves and use them several times, for example like this. It's not so much important. Lofted surface, this edge, right click selection manager, this will be selected, and we change our control point. Now that one is hidden, we just show it again, loft again. It is important to select writing, selection manager, this one, it's okay again. We can open, by the way, this view, and then loft, we can hide the first curve, don't need it anymore. Lofted surface, we select this one, we select the edge of surface, and then we continue. This is fine. Again, a 3D sketch from here to here, a point, and as a line from here to here. One more line. This is not what I want, I think. It's better to create here one more. Yes, we catch there. From here to here, one more. Let's work on this one first. We can hide that curve and surfaces, loft, right click, selection manager, we select that one and this one, say OK, clear selection. I think there's here a line, we hide it, we try again, this edge, selection manager, this line, now it is working. We should activate our 3D sketch, and after this operation we are going to combine these two one and then continue. This one first and right click this line. Have done that one, and we can combine this loft, selection manager, this, right click selection manager, this. They fixed it, and now we can hide this 3D sketches. Loft can use two edge of surfaces. Yes. Step by step we are now meshing our area. These 3D curves was only to define some control points, nothing more. Here a line, and here one more line, and here I define one more. We close our 3D curve, 3D sketch, loft. This is first, right click selection manager, not this one, this one. We click after first operation, as you know it is hidden here again. We take it, loft, right click, this one, selection manager, this one. We are done with this operation. We can hide this curve, loft, this edge, right click, and this one. After this operation, selection manager, this, selection manager, this one. We change control points, and then we get surfaces. You can hide this through the sketch also. We are going to create next one. The sketch, line, this curve, this point, this edge, here, from here to here. This is not fully defined. We are going to create it again. Yes, it's good to have fully defined sketches always. And we can hide this next curve. I hope it is not complicated for you guys. This line, right click, this object. We are going to show our 3D. Loft from this line to this line. We are done. From this edge to this line. Change control point. Again, loft. 2-minute loft operation. Please bear with me. And then we will have something nice. That's nice. Now we need here one line, which will be a 3D sketch. Sorry, we didn't define good. From here to here, yes. After this operation, we can hide this 3D sketch there. We can use our surface edge. We go a little bit close to be able to select our line. Yeah, this one. We change point. And now loft from this edge to this surface edge. A little bit coming closer. Yes. After some more steps, we'll be done. And I do select here 3D sketch. And first I will combine this bottom lines. First here, second here, third here. There is always more ways. In fact, also in the beginning, we could create a fully defined sketch here. I mean, dividing every surface and then working with them. I didn't prefer that. I don't know why. This is also an option. And now we can get rid of all these unnecessary curves, which is creating a difficulty to select white curve. Yes, here just we miss one, but we can complete that with the existing edges, I believe. Loft, this edge, right click, this edge, I meant that, this thing, surface, here and here. This edge will be with this edge, loft, this edge, this edge. In fact, we don't need to make right click even now. After some repeating program, I think I understand what we are doing. Last two, guys. Yes, we did that. It is complete now. And we are going to make just a mirror on the right plane, mirror, and the body is here active. From first to end, I'm going and clicking my shift, and then everything will be selected. And knit surfaces, saying, and we will see, no, it's not knitting. Okay, let it stay like that. And we are coming to surfaces. We select everything. We made knitting. And after this operation, I right click on the surface, on the edge, open loop, blender surface, and we close our surface, and we will convert the closed body and then knitting. This will make will provide an easiness to creating solid. And we have three solids. First one was this model. Second one again is a copy. What we are going to do now, we are going to remove this surface. Delete and patch. Scan, surface clean, and then we activate our solid body. And I will not make it now combined, but I will assign material again outside. Let's make it gold, and inside will be glass, blue glass. Because of reflection, it's not looking perfect, but maybe we can define just a painted color. It's up to you. I'm not a perfect guy who's having good render skills, but this is the model that I wanted to create for you and make a tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed. If you like my video, please don't forget to make a comment and hit the like button. If you do search more advanced videos, please do visit my channel. There will be more and more. Thanks for watching.